Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. Welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of our future uploads. If you have already subscribed, make sure you check back often to the channel because YouTube doesn't always send notifications. And don't be shy, say hi. I don't know which box this is. I think this is the Curlkit box because Curl box, when I tracked it, it said it was coming on the 22nd. So let's see. Yeah, this is Curlkit. So it came first this time. And I'm lazy. I still haven't canceled it. I'm holding out. And I need to because I got so many products. I need to do a giveaway of some of these products because we got so many products. But let's see what's in the box this month. I'm done. Oh, I'm about to snatch these things out. I'm so hot with myself. I am so hot because I should have been canceled. I am canceling. I know they're going to send me because it's after the 15th. They're going to send me their next crappy box next month. But, oh my goodness. Like, wait, did this just come in the box? I had this from last time. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm like discombobulated right now. This got me all. Oh, no. Why does this have candy curls on the back? It says Fit and Fat Wellness Journey in the front, but why does it have this on the back and none of these products are in this box? Okay. Let me show you what is in this box. This what was in the box. I just got this a few months ago in another box with the Palmer's line. This is in the box. Dynamic Duo Shine Jam. Not even a full product. This is just leftover junk. Shine Jam. I got another one of these black castor flaxseed oil thing that I haven't even used. And I got the hair bath this time, which is cool because we received this in the box not a few months ago. We received this and I didn't get the hair bath, I don't think. Wait, now I'm gonna have to go and check. What is this? Yeah, this is the hair bath. It says gently cleanses with active charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere and caviar extract. So this is a plus. Some people got the bath and some people got like the shampoo or something. I don't even remember. And this, which I have like so many of these now, I don't know what to do with. The Lottie Body Coconut and Shea Oils Illuminate Me Shine Mist. I'm not gonna even do a teaser on Instagram for this unboxing because it's just pointless. It's just pointless. Like, that's what's in the box this month. Let me know in the comments down below if you got anything better, but this is $25 for this. This is what I paid $25 for. Like, stuff that I don't need, stuff that I don't want. Yeah. Sorry about the lighting because the sun was out and then it kind of just went away. My mood probably took it away. I don't know at this point.